going on, guys? This is my Python coding project idea you can do. It's a password program. Password program. This is some code to get you started. I'm not even sure if this will help you. There might be a different way of doing it. I'm trying to... The program, it's a password program, and it takes into account the color of your password text, basically. Takes into account the color of your password text. You need the RGB value of your color text to log in. It's a cool Python programming project you can do. Takes into account the color of your password text. You need the RGB values. When you're trying to log in, it'll ask you for your password, and it'll also ask you for your RGB values. We're also trying to make it so you can have different colors for each letter. And you need the RGB values for each letter. And for each letter to log in. And the password itself too. Very secure stuff, guys. Very secure stuff. Very secure stuff. Now to top it off, it's not only going to ask you for the RGB values of your password, but also you need tokens. That's another part of the password program you can do. Tokens. You need your tokens too to log in. We're planning on having up to 3 tokens. The tokens are long and random. The tokens are long and random. They look like this. The tokens are long and random, and they look like this. Three tokens are required to log in. Alright, that's it. This is how a token looks, guys. This is how a token looks. You need you need your 3 tokens to log in too. It's a very secure password program that you can do. You need your tokens to log in. 3 tokens. 3 tokens are required. You have to copy and paste your you have to store your tokens somewhere probably. Copy and paste your tokens to when it asks you to. You need your 3 tokens, the RGB values of your password text, and your password itself. That's the password program. It's a very secure password program. Very fun. It's a very fun project you can do. Python project. I got this code from Python Simplified. Python Simplified on YouTube. I think she's a very pretty girl. Anyway, I changed it a little bit so that there's an input in there, a password that you could type. It's some code to get you started. You might have to do more research in the STY module, STY, the STY module. More research into that. See if you can make it so your password is a different changes color, or you could pick your color of your password or whatever and store it somewhere. So you might need to make like a password acceptor to go along with your project so you can store the password colors and stuff. And then when it's time to log in, you have to give the password, the RGB colors, and the tokens to log in. That's the project. You might need make a password acceptor to get it done. Anyway, that's the whole project, guys. That's the whole project idea. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Subscribe and like for more.